Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have another smart doll. With the diminuses and all that's going on, we bought. And this is one I had been wanting, and he came up. I did not buy him. I wanted him, but he wasn't like at the top of the list. And then he sold, and I thought, oh, you know what? I should have bought him because he's different than what I have. It's a boy. I have two other Smart Doll boys. One can't be in the photo because, or in the video, because he's getting ready for a collab, and I didn't want to undress him. He has kind of a layered, we'll call it layered, outfit that I'm making. And I've got the coat to go, and we'll see how it looks. Smart Dolls, if you do not own one, now is the time. If your bills are paid and you're thinking about it, because they're going to get expensive at the end of the month. They come in a tote bag that you can use for many things. They come with these boxes that some people turn into couches for them. Let me set this down here. I saved the boxes. They're very, very, very nice boxes. And if I ever had to get rid of my Smart Dolls, God forbid. But if I did, or if I died, they have the boxes to pack them up in. I got Adam. He sold. We sat there looking at him, and Darren's like, you want me to get him? You want me to get him? I'm like, no, no, no. And then he sold, and I thought, oh my goodness. I've got a lot of anime girls. I've got a lot of Smart Dolls. A lot of Smart Dolls. And I have a lot of anime girls, but I did not have an anime boy. Inside this box, if I can open it. Oh, sorry about that. Takes me a minute. This comes with anything extra that you buy from the site. Your care sheet, some of it's comical. Your wig and your clickety-clack stand. Why are they called clickety-clack stand? Let me show you. I like these stands. I really do. They're different. They click. Like the legs and everything. You've got that click. You know it's moving. It's telescopic, so you can change the angle of your doll. Love that. Let's grab his wig. Darren, you're probably going to have to do the wig again today. I put everything back inside this box, and then I store the boxes. I take the underwear off because to me, dolls don't need underwear. Nothing to protect or absorb. And they make panty lines. But I put this in another bag. I put that in here, and then I store this stuff. Okay. I made him. Hear the, oh, Smart Dolls. Hear the click? That's your confidence click to know that you have everything hooked in correct. Oh, I love these dolls. I made him these stain stoppers. I make mine a little different. I made these like tights. They're not tights because they have some stretch, but they don't have tight stretch. I do a finishing zigzag stitch on the inside, but I do not add a waistband, nor do I fold over twice on the top, nor when I do the regular pants, the bottom. The reason is you don't want extra bulk. I make them taller than the pants that he wears so that it covers oh, you know what I was going to do first? I bought this shirt, and I wanted to try it on a doll, but my other guys were dressed and ready for what they were doing, and I never tried it on anyone, so I thought I'd try it on him. Well, let's see. I am not going to take him apart to dress him. If it doesn't go on easily, it'll be for another day. I bought these on AliExpress, really inexpensive, and I just think they're great for the Smart Doll boys. They are 1/3 doll, BJD, can't remember if it was sweaters or what it was. I do not like to take arms and heads and hands off my dolls. The reason is you break down the joint, and pretty soon your joint is loose. That's why there are hands missing on those dolls in the thrift stores. And if you have loose hips, it's because the clothes were too tight to pull. That is not. I'm very, very picky on tight pants on my dolls, because if you put tight pants across hips of dolls, across here, you will break that seal of the hip, and then you'll have those flip-floppy legs forever. There's really not a lot to do to fix them on most dolls. That's pretty cute. That is pretty cute. He's not wearing it today, but I like it. That'd be real cute with jeans, wouldn't it? Mm-hmm. And I have this one, and must be over there. I also have a maroon. So I would like it to be a little fuller in here, but I think it's just because it's stretched. Very cute. All right, let's put the rest of his clothes on. Oh, I was going to show you. Let me get the some of it on. I want to show you something. I'm making these stain stopper pants for, this is a pair I've already made, and I need to shorten a little bit because I added my allowance for the foot twice and it got too long. I'll take those in a minute. This is a better fabric. I like this fabric, make no mistake. It's not unsmooth, but it's not as smooth as this is. And I don't know if you can see the texture difference in these fabrics. This one actually has a texture to it. I've made these for my other boy dolls, and the fabric of the jeans or whatever pants just slide right over. This slides, but not as smoothly as this. And what I have done is I just took a pants pattern, not jean, but just a simple pants pattern. You can use a PJ bottom or other patterns, just simple pants is what I'm trying to say. And what I did is I zigzagged all the way around, finishing my edges, because I'm only folding that over once at the waist. And if I were doing just pants, this is going to have socks included. I'm going to put Adam in tennis shoes. Some of those will have colors, some will be black, red, different colors. So I want that foot protected too. And so what I did was I cut that out, I zigzagged, I put my my front seam in, folded my top over just the one time so it's not a lot of extra bulk. And then I'm not adding a snap, nothing like that. I'm going to fold this over under his other pants. I've made this kind of long so that I can find the stand port easily, and I'm getting ready to do the legs. I did want to add that when you use that pants pattern, you want to make it a little taller at the top for tucking and a little longer at the ankle, or take it all the way down for socks. And the reason you want it longer than your normal pants or jeans is because you want the whole item covered. You don't want that stain stopper stopping here. If you make it with the same pattern, it'll be too short and you're still going to have a band that is against the body, and that's where it's most likely to stain. Okay, I have his stain stopper on, and I wanted to show you that this fabric, I bought this at Walmart in the 2 yards for $4 rack. And I purposely made this baggy and tall. And what'll happen is when I get his jeans on, everything around that port will be covered, and his shirt area. The whole, waistband, everything will be covered so that he won't get a stain. And I purposely made this larger, and I want to tell you about this fabric. It's a smoother fabric, and what I like about it is dressing these dolls, these soft vinyl dolls, is not easy. Look at that. Once you get that what is it called? Slicker fabric. Rather than using something that catches the pants, this actually helps them just go right on. So here's Adam. He has his harmonica, his Horner harmonica, and Oceana couldn't be more thrilled with him. You'll notice she's touching his arm, such a flirtatious move. They have that haircut that is so perfect for those little animes. I'm thrilled. Thank you, Darren. Thank you all for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.
They make a cute couple.
They do. I love them. I love him.